Hello students, today we are going to study rate analysis. The determination of rate per unit of a particular item of a work from the cost of quantity of material, cost of labors and other miscellaneous expenses requires for its completion is known as rate analysis. Now note is written here, generally a reasonable profit to contractors equals to 10% of total cost of item is also included in analysis of rate. It means that we have to include 10% of the total cost of item as contractor profit. Rate of material are usually taken as the rates delivered at the sites of work and include first cost, that is prime cost, cost of transportation, dealer's commission, taxes, etc. Now the rate of a particular item depends on the following factors. The first one is specification of work, next one is time period of work, another one is location of site and availability of local material, and the last one is profit, taxes and miscellaneous expenditures. Another charge is the overhead charges. Overhead cost includes generally office expenses like rent, taxes, supervision and other costs, which are indirect expenses like stationery, printing, postages, traveling expenses, telephone bills, internets, etc. They all comes under overhead charges. That is all about the rate analysis. Thank you very much, students.